From Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over Capital on Tap. It's a small business credit card. What's unique about this card is that they do not do a hard pull on your personal credit. It's only a soft pull for approval. So that's what we're going to get in today. And I have my card right here. My card I got it. Think 6 months ago, or not 6 months ago, 6 weeks ago or so. And it's a unique card. So listen up for all the details ahead. And if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to turn the bell notification on. Okay. So without further ado, let's get into the Capital on Tap card. Like I said, I just got mine. I think, I don't know, it was 3-4 weeks ago or so. Just getting around to doing a review about the Capital on Tap. It's a Visa corporate card, commercial card. And like I said, what's unique about this one is, for one, it's a 2% unlimited cash back. So just like their website says here, 2% unlimited cash back, which that's great. And then limits from 1,000 to 50,000. So they give pretty high limits. I've seen a lot of other people posting, say, on Facebook and YouTube that they're getting, 5, 10, 20, 30,000 credit limit approval. The application is pretty simple and straightforward. It didn't take me very long to do my application, like 5-10 minutes. And then there's some verification process. I think the whole thing took a couple of days or so. I don't know what it is right now because there's other YouTube videos about Capital on Tap, so maybe they're backed up. I don't know. Anyways, all the information also will be in the link in the description below. So let's go over a few little data points that I've picked up on. So you can issue up to 20 cards for your employees. Initially, they're only going to give you one card, and then you can get more cards if you need employee cards. And their customer service is great. Carrie over at Capital on Tap, she's quick to respond after you do your application and any questions. So the other thing that's unique about, let me see if I can find it here on their site. Let's see here, because they're fairly new in the US market. I think it was January or so. They're out of Europe-based company, but the card is, like I said, a Visa issued by WebBank. And let me see here. I haven't got a whole lot of chance to use this card as of yet, but I'm trying to find the page here where it showed so it's not really like a American Express. You can pay in full every month if you want, but I don't know. It was on here before, and now I can't find it. Let's see here if I can find it here, if it shows. So this is like the application right here, pulling up. My internet's a little bit slow. So like I said, it's pulling through Experian. Personal has a soft pull. You don't want to have bad credit. They don't want to really have us give out the actual scores that they're looking for. So if you have bad credit, then I wouldn't apply. But if you have decent credit or good credit, then you could apply. They do require like 6 months of business credit history. So they're going to pull on your Experian business credit report, and they're going to want to see like some trade lines and trade activity payment experiences for about 6 months or so. You can do a corporation, LLC. They don't have sole proprietorship yet, I guess. The application, like I said, is straightforward. You can see right here, it says, how would you like to repay your Capital on Tap business credit card? So say you had like a $10,000 credit limit they gave you, and you used, say, the whole 10,000 up in 1 month. You can either pay full balance, like just like say American Express or other cards like Divvy and stuff. The full balance, there's no fees for that. Or you can do the minimum amount, which is 10%. So that's what's unique kind of about this card is it's soft pull on your personal credit. It is a personal guarantee card, but like I said, it's not going to do a hard inquiry on your personal credit. And the minimum amount is 10%. So like I said, you don't have to pay back, $1,000, per month or whatever, if you use the full $10,000 credit limit. So that's kind of unique, unlike some of the other, business credit cards, corporate cards. They make you pay back it all in full, each month, whatever you use. So, like I said, that's pretty much it. I just want to kind of go over the, basic data points. Like I said, you want to make sure that you have at least 6 months of business credit history. So go over to the Experian Small Business Credit Report, not NAV. You kind of want to probably pull your Experian Business Credit Report and see, they have different packages and stuff, but you want to pull and check, exactly what your Experian Business Credit looks like and fix anything before you apply, if it's missing information, things like that, just so the underwriting process can be a lot quicker and, improve your chances for approval. Like I said, you want to have decent credit or good credit or excellent credit. I wouldn't advise you to apply for this if you have bad credit, especially if it's a recent derogatory information on your personal credit. So they're only soft pull on your Experian personal and pulling your Experian business credit report. So that is all for this video. Like I said, I haven't got a chance to really use it too much. And like I said, the credit limits are anywhere from 1,000 to 50,000. So that's, pretty good. And you can earn the rewards and points, which is 1% cash back on all card spend. But I haven't really got into it too much because on their main site, it says 2% unlimited cash back. So I think that's when you meet the certain threshold. But anyways, check the link in the description below. Try to apply and, see if you can get approved. It's definitely a kind of a game changer, new company coming into the US market. Okay. Till next time, you guys take care and stay tuned for tonight's live stream.